Every woman has a man she can't forget. And the one thing that man consistently did was confuse her and command her. He didn't chase her, he confused her. He didn't beg for attention, he commanded it. He didn't talk much, but when he did, she listened. Because women fall for emotional impact, a mix of desire, fear, and respect. That's the cocktail that stains her memory. Here are 6 things that make you unforgettable in a woman's mind. To support this channel, like and subscribe. 1. The man who says no without fear. You can't lead a woman you're scared to disappoint. Every weak man says yes, yes to her moods, her plans, her pressure. But the man who says no, calmly, without fear of losing her, triggers something deeper. Because no means you have boundaries. It tells her you're not here for approval, you're here for truth. 2. The man who walks away first. Nothing haunts a woman like the man who walks away without begging. Most men chase. They text again, they try harder, they plead. But the man who simply stops, who values his peace more than her drama, becomes unforgettable. Because walking away flips her psychology. 3. The man who doesn't compete for her attention. When you compete, you already lost. A man who fights for attention silently admits, "You're above me." But the man too focused on his mission to chase, he becomes the mystery she can't stop thinking about. Attention is currency. Spend it wisely, and she'll never forget its value. 4. The man who exposes her flaws, calmly. Weak men stay silent when she's wrong. Strong men check her without anger. You don't shout, you don't insult, you hold the mirror up, because you care about truth more than comfort. 5. The man who controls his desire. Most men lose all discipline when they want her. But when you want her, and still control yourself, you separate from the crowd. Desire is power when it's contained. Because the moment she realizes you could have her, but you choose not to, you become unforgettable. 6. The man who makes her earn his respect. Most men give respect just because she's beautiful, but beauty alone doesn't deserve reverence. The man she never forgets makes her earn it through consistency, effort, and loyalty. That makes her rise to your standards. Because women may crave attention, but they respect the man whose respect isn't cheap. You want to leave an impression? Stop giving her what every other man gives: availability. Give her what she can't get anywhere else: discipline. Control your tongue. Control your time. Control your attention. Because the second you master yourself, she starts to lose control of herself. And that's the irony. The men who make women fall the hardest are the ones who don't fall at all. Because women never forget the man who mastered himself. Stay dangerous. Stay stoic.